Hi everyone, welcome to Story Speak English. Today's video we are going to learn about the life of Donald Trump. This will be a simple and easy to understand biography, perfect for practicing your English listening. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Early Life in Queens. Donald John Trump was born on June 14, 1946, in Queens, New York, into a family that valued both discipline and ambition. His father, Fred Trump, was already a successful real estate developer, while his mother, Mary Trump, was a Scottish immigrant who gave the family warmth and stability. Donald grew up with 4 siblings in a competitive household. From childhood he was bold, outspoken, and full of energy. Teachers at his early school often struggled with his rebellious nature, which eventually led his parents to send him to the New York Military Academy at the age of 13. This strict environment turned out to be a blessing. At the academy, Donald channeled his restlessness into leadership, sports, and discipline. He quickly became known as someone who liked to stand out and command attention. Even as a teenager, Trump looked beyond Queens. He admired the tall Manhattan skyscrapers and dreamed of one day seeing his own name shining across the skyline. This vision of power, success, and recognition became a guiding force for his future. Chapter 2. The Young Entrepreneur. After graduating from the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania in 1968 with a degree in economics, Donald Trump stepped into his father's real estate business, Elizabeth Trump's son. While Fred Trump focused on middle-class housing in Brooklyn and Queens, Donald had bigger ambitions. He wanted to build landmarks in Manhattan, the heart of New York. In 1971, he took control of the company and renamed it the Trump Organization, a bold move that showed his desire to create his own legacy. Donald's first major success came with the Grand Hyatt Hotel project in 1978, where he transformed a struggling property into a symbol of luxury. But his true statement came in 1983 with the opening of Trump Tower on Fifth Avenue, a glittering skyscraper that became the face of his empire. With its gold interiors, luxury shops, and prime location, Trump Tower announced to the world that Donald Trump was not just a businessman, but a brand. His vision, risk-taking, and hunger for recognition had officially set him apart from his father's path. Chapter 3. Building the Trump Empire. With the success of Trump Tower, Donald Trump became a symbol of bold ambition in the 1980s. He expanded rapidly, buying and developing casinos in Atlantic City, luxury hotels, golf courses, and even an airline, always attaching the Trump name as a mark of power and prestige. He entered industries far beyond real estate, from beauty pageants like Miss Universe to branded products like Trump Vodka. But this aggressive expansion came with risks. By the early 1990s, some of his businesses faced huge debts and even bankruptcy. Yet, Trump's ability to negotiate, rebrand, and bounce back saved his empire. He turned setbacks into comebacks, often using media attention to keep himself in the spotlight. By the end of the decade, despite controversies, Donald Trump had established himself not just as a real estate mogul, but as a larger-than-life brand known worldwide. Chapter 4. The Media Mogul. By the 1990s, Donald Trump realized that his greatest asset was not just his buildings, but his personality and brand. He wrote best-selling books like The Art of the Deal, which showcased his philosophy of bold decision-making and risk-taking. But his biggest breakthrough in media came in 2004 with the launch of the reality TV show The Apprentice. The show was a massive success, watched by millions around the world. Contestants competed in business challenges, and Trump sat at the head of the boardroom table as the ultimate judge. His sharp phrase, "You're fired," became a cultural catchphrase, turning him into a television icon. The Apprentice transformed Trump into more than a businessman. He became a celebrity, admired by some as a symbol of success, and criticized by others for his flashy style. Either way, he had mastered the art of staying in the spotlight. Chapter 5. Entering Politics. Even while running his business empire, Donald Trump often spoke about politics. As far back as the 1980s, he criticized U.S. trade deals, rising debt, and weak leadership. Many thought of him as a businessman who loved publicity, but he kept hinting that one day he might run for office. Those hints turned serious in June 2015 when he announced his candidacy for President of the United States. Trump's campaign was unlike any other. With the slogan, "Make America Great Again," he focused on issues like immigration, trade, jobs, and national pride. He spoke directly to the people, often bypassing traditional media, and used social media, especially Twitter, as his loudest voice. While critics dismissed him as a political outsider, his blunt style and promise to fight for ordinary Americans struck a chord with millions. For the first time, Donald Trump had stepped from the world of business and entertainment into the fierce arena of politics, and he was not going unnoticed. Chapter 6. The 2016 Election Shock. Donald Trump's presidential campaign quickly gained momentum. While many experts and politicians laughed at his chances, Trump surprised everyone by winning the Republican primaries, defeating well-known and experienced rivals. His rallies drew massive crowds, and his direct, often controversial speeches kept him constantly in the headlines. In the 2016 general election, Trump faced former Secretary of State Hillary Clinton, who was considered the favorite to win. Yet on November 8, 2016, the world watched in shock as Trump secured a stunning victory, becoming the 45th President of the United States. His win was one of the biggest political upsets in American history. For millions of his supporters, it was proof that an outsider could challenge the political establishment and win. For his critics, it marked the beginning of a deeply divided era in U.S. politics. Chapter 7. The Trump Presidency, 2017 to 2021. When Donald Trump took office on January 20, 2017, he promised to put America first. His presidency brought sweeping changes and constant headlines. Economically, he passed major tax reforms, rolled back regulations, and oversaw strong job growth before the COVID-19 pandemic. Internationally, he shook up foreign policy, meeting with North Korea's Kim Jong-un, pressuring NATO allies, confronting China on trade, and brokering the historic Abraham Accords in the Middle East. But Trump's presidency was also filled with controversy. His immigration policies, including the push for a border wall, sparked fierce debate. His heavy use of Twitter divided opinion. Supporters loved his directness. Critics called it reckless. The COVID-19 pandemic became the biggest challenge of his term, bringing both praise for rapid vaccine development and criticism for handling the crisis. He was impeached twice by the House of Representatives, though acquitted both times. Through victories and storms, Trump's presidency was unlike any before it, bold, disruptive, and unforgettable. Chapter 8. The Post-Presidency Era. Donald Trump left the White House in January 2021, but unlike most former presidents, he did not step out of the spotlight. Instead, he remained the most influential figure in the Republican Party, continuing to hold massive rallies and shaping national debates. His supporters saw him as the true voice of the people, while his critics blamed him for deepening political divides. Even without the presidency, Trump's influence on American politics stayed strong. He endorsed candidates, challenged the 2020 election results, and hinted at another run for the White House. In 2024, he re-emerged as a central figure in U.S. politics, proving that his appeal was far from over. Whether admired or opposed, Donald Trump showed that his journey did not end with his presidency. His role in shaping America's political future was still unfolding. Chapter 9. The Trump Family. Behind Donald Trump's public life stands the powerful and influential Trump family. His family has played a major role in both his business empire and political career. Trump has 5 children from 3 marriages, and many of them became public figures in their own right. Ivanka Trump, his eldest daughter, is known for her elegance and business skills. She served as a senior advisor during his presidency and became one of his closest confidants. Donald Trump Jr. emerged as a strong political voice, often speaking at rallies and defending his father's legacy. Eric Trump managed parts of the Trump Organization and was actively involved in campaigns. Tiffany Trump, from Trump's marriage to Marla Maples, kept a lower profile but remained supportive. Barron Trump, the youngest, was rarely in the public eye but drew attention for growing up in the White House. Trump's wives also influenced his journey. Ivana Trump, his first wife, helped him build his early empire. Marla Maples brought Hollywood charm into his life. Melania Trump, his current wife and former First Lady, stood by him with grace and style, representing the U.S. on the global stage. The Trump family, often seen together at rallies and events, became a brand of its own, symbolizing loyalty, wealth, and ambition. Just like Donald Trump, they remain a subject of fascination and debate in American society. Final chapter: Legacy and Impact. Donald Trump's story is not just about business or politics, it is about influence, controversy, and resilience. From building skyscrapers in New York to becoming the 45th President of the United States, he lived a life larger than imagination. His supporters see him as a fighter for the common man, a leader who challenged the political system, and a symbol of American strength. His critics, on the other hand, argue that he divided the nation and broke many traditions of leadership. But one thing is certain: Trump left a permanent mark on history. His name, his style, and his voice changed the way people look at politics and leadership. Even after leaving office, his rallies, influence, and possible future runs keep him at the center of attention. Donald Trump's legacy is still being written. For some, he is a businessman who became a president. For others, a president who became a movement. Love him or hate him, Donald J. Trump's impact on America and the world will be remembered for generations to come.